First, using 3 to 6 mil plastic, measure and cut the plastic sheeting, leaving extra material on the top, bottom, and sides. Next, attach the plastic to the top of the spring-loaded pole by sandwiching the plastic between the head and the non-skid plate and locking it into place. Raise the first spring-loaded pole to the ceiling using the twist locking mechanism. Place a new pole every 10 feet or every 8 feet if you'll be using any negative or positive air pressure. Pull the plastic tight at the top between each pole. The poles are very easy to set up and reposition. Lift up the bottom of each pole and tuck the plastic underneath. And don't forget to use the grip discs. They provide extra grip at the bottom of the poles. Fully compress the spring at the top of each pole. This will prevent the poles from moving even if there's negative or positive air pressure or if someone bumps into them.